Hello everyone. Internet of Things. To be simple, IOTs. IOTs are something which most of them know, or some guys may not know this, but it's just simple thing in which everything gets connected, interconnected to each and everything in this world. For example, like people to people, things to things, and things to people. So when all these are connected, this thing makes work simpler and easier. So some companies like Google, Apple, IBM, Microsoft working towards to make their own innovations and to start about the ideas and to work on the principles behind the IoTs. IoTs are our future, and I saw a video about what is IoT, and I'll show you to that.
By now, you may have heard the term Internet of Things. Sounds interesting, but what does the Internet of Things actually mean? IoT is an evolution of mobile, home, and embedded applications that are being connected to the Internet, integrating greater compute capabilities and using data analytics to extract meaningful information. Billions of devices will be connected to the Internet, and soon, hundreds of billions of devices. As related devices connect with each other, they can become an intelligent system of systems. And when these intelligent devices and systems of systems share data over the cloud and analyze it, they can transform our businesses, our lives, and our world in countless ways. Whether it's improving medical outcomes, creating better products faster with lower development costs, making shopping more enjoyable, or optimizing energy generation and consumption. Here's an example of the big picture. Imagine an intelligent device such as a smart traffic camera. The camera can monitor the road for congestion, accidents, and weather conditions, and communicate that status to a gateway that combines it with data from other cameras, creating an intelligent citywide traffic system. Now, imagine that intelligent traffic system connected to other citywide transportation systems, which get data from their own intelligent devices, creating an ever larger intelligent system of systems. The really big possibilities come from analyzing the end-to-end data across that system of systems. For example, let's say the city's intelligent traffic system detects massive congestion due to an accident. That insight can be sent to the citywide transportation system, which can analyze the accident's impact on other city systems. Recognizing the accident is near the airport and two city schools, it could notify those systems so they can adjust flight and school schedules. It can also analyze and derive optimal routes around the accident and send those instructions to the city's digital signage system to guide drivers around the accident. And that's just one example of the potential benefits that can happen when intelligent devices share insight with other systems, forming ever-expanding systems of systems. But how do we...
Internet of Things, what it means to your business. It has its applications in diverse fields. The three major fields which involves IoT are communication, cost efficiency, control and automation. When it comes to communication, IoT plays a major role. In hospitals, IoT helps the surgeons to track the status of their patients, health status of their patients. In transport industry, IoT helps in real-time tracking of parcels and so on. For example, the shipping company called Maersk uses sensors to track the location of their shipping containers and to monitor the temperature of the container as it contains sensitive materials. And in control and automation, IoT helps in maintaining the systems. For example, in a HVAC equipment, that is essentially an air conditioning equipment, sensors are fitted so that it can clean the filter on its own. By this way, it helps in the maintenance of equipments. Many companies opt for IoT as it increases its efficiency. It makes equipment failure and running costs minimized. It helps in minimizing equipment failure and running costs, as they can find the fault in the equipments earlier and schedule a maintenance for them.
Internet of Things at home has a very big application. In India, it has only a very low value, but at foreign countries, at least 5 out of 10 homes have Internet of Things. Internet uses Internet of Things at home. Recently, Apple, Google, and Facebook are all releasing Internet of Things products for home. The Google Home, which is released newly, I'll explain how an Internet of Things works at home. Taking an example of how Google Home works at home. Google Home uses IOT. So basically, this is how it works. You go outside and you come back to home. There are sensors at your home door. So when you come to the front gate, sensors have been activated and they communicate all over the home using communication channels. And now first, light only turns on the room where you go. So if you go out of the room, the light turns off automatically. And the AC, AC takes a lot of time to start up. So when your car comes to the garage, using sensors, things are activated and AC starts. So by the time you reach your room, you will feel the AC. And like that, IoT is mainly used for saving electricity. Electricity costs have been reduced a lot by using IoT. In case you switch on an oven and forget to turn it off, there are applications in IoT in which after the required time the oven is shut off automatically, and if fire comes, in case fire comes, there are things which can put off the fire automatically. IoT plays a vital role in home. The reason why IoT is not used in India for homes is internet connection. IoT uses Wi-Fi for communication between different hardware. For example, fan, light, switches, and etc. Communicate between each other in order to save electricity and give us more comfort. In India, the usage of internet and Wi-Fi is not that relevant in many homes, so IoT is not very relevant in India. I think by 2025, internet facility will be increased and Wi-Fi facilities will be increased in India too, and IoT will come to home. IoT application will come to home in India.
So guys, Nokia connects people. IoT connects everything. I mean humans with everything. This term refers to devices that transmit and collect data via internet. IoT is the future. I'm sure by 2030, everyone will be connected with everything.